What up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're coming out with another video, another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to be talking more about objects. So we're going to be doing more objects using functions, constructing objects using functions. Okay, let's start. So let's create our function, and we're going to do name car, capital C, and then we're going to open closing parentheses, and then the open curly braces, and then right here we're going to pass a few parameters. We're going to say year, comma, color, comma, and then uh, type, type of car. Okay, and now inside our function we're going to use this that year with the value year, semicolon, this that color equals color, and then we're going to say last this that type equals type, semicolon, and right here we're going to create or construct our object. We're going to do a const. We're going to say my car, and we're going to say new car, and then right here we're going to do the list of the strings. We're going to pass on strings right here, or the arguments for this um, object. So we're going to say year, we're going to say what is this, 2010, comma, what color do you want this car to be? Let's just do red, and then comma, and then what type of car is going to be? A Honda. Okay, and semicolon. All right, and right here we're going to say show message, and we're going to say this is my cool car, and then we're going to concatenate. How can I pronounce concatenate? We're going to say my car dot year, and then we're going to say string, double quotes, space, and then keep concatenating. And right here we're going to use the next one. It's going to be my car, the color. We're going to do the same thing right here, and then I'm going to say my car that type. Yeah, it's kind of weird how it's going to come out. Okay, let's save that and refresh our browser, and then this is my cool car, 2010 red Honda, or Honda red, right? So that worked pretty cool. And also what we can do is the following: we can add more to our to our function. We can add more parameters and more values to it. So for example, we can just say my car that, let's just say, price equals how much is a used car. Let's just say $15,000. Okay, and we can add right here we can say, and the price is, and then you say my car the price, just price, save it. Okay, this is my cool car, 2010 red Honda, and the price is $15,000. Okay, and also what we can do here, we can create more objects. So we can say cons my car my car 2, right? And then we just say equal new car, and then we can just switch over here. Let's just do car 2015, comma, we're going to say yellow, okay, comma, and then we're going to say Corvette right here, okay. And yeah, we can say that, and let's just comment this out right here. Actually, just change to this. Now let's comment that out. Okay, cool. All right, so we can use over here console.log, and we're going to say just my car, and semicolon, and right here we're going to do another console.log, and we're going to say my car 2. Okay, all right, let's save that. Okay, we have this. So we have the first one, this object. So we get the red, prices, $15,000, type Honda, year 2010, right? And my second object, we have color, Corvette, year 2015. Okay, if we want, we can add a price too. So we can just say my car 2, the price. How much is a Corvette? Let's put $300,000, something like that. Let's save that. It should be, yeah, it should add the $300,000. Yeah, right here we have it. So that worked. We created 2 objects using functions. Alright guys, hopefully this video helped you out. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, we're going to keep on doing more. Okay, have a good night, and we'll see you next. Bye.